Let's make mashed potatoes. Garlic mashed potatoes. Vegan garlic mashed potatoes. I'm gonna be quiet because it's past our quiet time. Guess what emotion I'm acting, and I'll reveal in the end. I can't find my knife. My favorite pink knife. It's gone. Now I have to use an ugly one. Okay, no, that was not part of it. Okay, that might have been misleading. I'm just gonna roughly chop these up so they're faster. Ay, ay, ay. I took a shower while the potatoes were cooking, and they're still not done because I put them on low heat so they won't overflow. Yeah, and now I'm gonna cut the onion and garlic, like the seasoning. Okay, I'm so not in character, Jesus. I don't know how to express that. Okay. Onion is optional for people who have taste, but too bland. Wait, I don't want my mashed potatoes to be too boring, so I'm just gonna spice it up with onion. Yes, very nice. Okay, don't be dramatic. Let me just test. Okay. Let me just test it. Okay, it's soft, but not soft enough. I want it a little softer, so it's easier to mash. Actually, I'm gonna test one. Ew. There's like black. Okay, I should have peeled it. Ugh. Ouch. Hot. Got the brown part out. Okay, it's enough. Yay, because I didn't want to wait any longer. The rest can stay in there while I already start smashing. I'm gonna add a little pasta potato water so it becomes a little more liquid, because it's very like pieces right now and not liquid, and mashed potato is supposed to be smooth. Okay, I think this is not going to be smooth because I don't know. Okay, maybe it just needs to be softer. I'm gonna add a bit of salt. I'm a little late, but yeah. Pink. This is the perfect softness to mash because everything goes out, and yeah, it's good. Obviously, if you want a smoother texture, you need to peel the potato skin. And obviously, if you have a masher, this is gonna be easier, but I don't, so this is what I'm gonna do. I learned how to do it through 2 other recipes. I can't find them anymore. And they said to add baking powder to make it smooth. Okay, this is hard. This is not perfect, but I'm not gonna put it back in, so I'm just gonna use violence. A little potato water. Bubbles. That's the effect we want, I think. I don't know the science behind it. But it already looks softer. Do you see that? It looks smoother already, so I guess the person was right. I think that's good. Now I'm just gonna add oat milk for creaminess. Wait, I'm gonna add seasoning now. Soy sauce, because I have a lot. Normally I don't put soy sauce, but I'm just gonna for this time because I have so much at home and I need to use it. That looks kind of disgusting, but soy sauce is my salt, okay? Ooh, truffle oil. Truffle oil? This must be good. Yes, it's fancy, but it's so slow. I would rather. Oh, it smells so good. Not salty enough. Okay. So the first time I made it and I loved it was when I had pre-cut garlic and put olive oil in them, like a preserved thing, and I added the oil here, and it tasted so good of garlic. And now of course I taste the garlic, but it's not enough, like it's not that intense, and I would like it more. I could have added more, but I'm a little lazy, so I don't want to do it now. Yeah, but it's still good. I'm gonna decorate it real quick so you can see how it looks like in the end. Often I cook something and just improvise in the last bit, so that's why I'm gonna put avocado and vegan blue cheese from Vegans. I tried them, they're pretty good. I'm literally eating mold, wow. This is the final product. Okay, I don't think I did a good job today with acting because it's kind of hard, but you're really smart if you got it right. What the fuck? My feeling was uncomfortable. Like I tried to be like my body, you know, and my face. Thanks for watching. If you think I'm weird, it's fine. I don't care. I'm excited to eat this. And FYI, I don't eat mashed potato like this always, just today because I had them in the fridge. I like to just like combine stuff, you know. Bye. A piece of truffle. Nice. This is the final look. The look, what the